Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving question on quantitative aptitude topic numbers. All the topics of quantitative aptitude are useful for many competitive exams like SSC CGL, RRB, Bank PO, Railways and many government job exams and job interviews. These topics are also useful for many entrance exams like GRE, SAT, ACT, CAT, GMAT and many more. Please watch all my videos on quantitative aptitude topics. In this video, we are going to solve questions on common factors. Our question is, what is one of the factors of 7 to the power 2n plus 5 to the power 2n where n is odd number? The given options are option A 60, option B 72, option C 74, option D 76. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number 7 to the power 2n plus 5 to the power 2n can be written as 49 to the power n plus 25 to the power n, as square of 7 is 49 and square of 5 is 25. So we can write this number as 49 to the power n plus 25 to the power n. It's given that n is an odd number, therefore 49 plus 25 is one of the factor of given number and this is equal to 74. Hence 74 is one of the factor of given number, and from the given options our answer is option C 74. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the common factor of 17 to the power 9 plus 13 to the power 9 and 17 to the power 7 plus 13 to the power 7? The given options are option A 4, option B 30, option C 17 to the power 5 plus 13 to the power 5, option D 17 to the power 2 plus 13 to the power 2. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. 17 to the power 9 plus 13 to the power 9 and 17 to the power 7 plus 13 to the power 7. Here 9 and 7 both are odd numbers. Therefore 17 plus 13 is factor of both the numbers, or we can say 17 plus 13 is a common factor of 17 to the power 9 plus 13 to the power 9 and 17 to the power 7 plus 13 to the power 7, and 17 plus 13 equal to 30. So 30 is the common factor of given numbers, and from the given options our answer is option B 30. This is very easy question. If we know the identities, then we can easily solve such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is one of the factors of 17 to the power 2n plus 3 to the power 2n where n is an odd number? The given options are option A 298, option B 280, option C 400, option D 196. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number 17 to the power 2n plus 3 to the power 2n can be written as square of 17 is 289 to the power n plus square of 3 is 9. So we can write 9 to the power n. the given number becomes 289 to the power n plus 9 to the power n, and it is given that n is an odd number. Therefore, 289 plus 9 is one of the factors of given number, and 289 plus 9 is 298. It means that 298 is one of the factors of 17 to the power 2n plus 3 to the power 2n. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 298. If you memorize the identities, then such type of questions become very easy to solve. This is very easy question and we can solve such type of questions within few seconds. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, what is the remainder when 113 to the power 63 plus 79 to the power 63 is divided by 24? The given options are option A 16, option B 12, option C 0, option D 13. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. The given number is 113 to the power 63 plus 79 to the power 63. As 63 is an odd number, therefore 113 plus 79 is factor of given number, and 113 plus 79 is equal to 192. It means that 192 is one of the factor of 113 to the power 63 plus 79 to the power 63. As 24 completely divides 192 for 8 times, it means that when 192 divides the given number, the remainder is 0, as well as when 24 divides the given number, the remainder will be 0. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 0. We know the identity a to the power n plus b to the power n has factor a plus b when n is an odd number. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, which number exactly divides 150 to the power 42 minus 66 to the power 42? The given options are option A 236, option B 215, option C 245, option D 252. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. A to the power n minus b to the power n has factors a plus b and a minus b, where n is an even number. Here 42, which is the power of 150 and 66, is an even number. Therefore 150 plus 66 and 150 minus 66, both are factors of 150 to the power 42 minus 66 to the power 42. 150 plus 66 is 216, and 150 minus 66 is 84. Both are factors of given number. Now we have to find, as none of these is in the option, so we have to find a number which is factor of 216 multiplied by 84. On observation, as both are even numbers and none of it ends with 5, so option B and C are not possible. Now 216 is divisible by 9, as 2 plus 1 plus 6 is 9, that is 216 is divisible by 9. It means that the option which is divisible by 9 must be our answer. The sum of the digits of option A, 236, is not 9 or divisible by 9, but the number at option D, which is 252, the sum of these digits is 9, so it is divisible by 9. It means that our answer must be option D, 252. Now we just verify it. 216 is divisible by 12 and 84 is divisible by 21, and 12 multiplied by 21 is equal to 252. 21 times 2 is 42, we write 2 and carry 4, and 21 times 1 is 21 plus 4 is 25, so it becomes 252. It means that 252 is factor of 216 multiplied by 84. Therefore, 252 completely divides 150 to the power 42 minus 66 to the power 42. And from the given options, our answer is option D, 252. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions and the logic by which I have solved this question. We go to the next question. Our question is, which number exactly divides 19 to the power 120 plus 14 to the power 120 minus 3 to the power 120 minus 2 to the power 120. The given options are option A, 260, option B, 272, option C, 319, option D, 290. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. On observing the number, we have to make pairs of given numbers. 19 to the power 120 minus 3 to the power 120 has factors 19 plus 3 and 19 minus 3. This is equal to 22 multiplied by 16, and the another pair is 14 to the power 120 minus 2 to the power 120, and the factors of this number are 14 plus 2 and 14 minus 2. This is equal to 16 multiplied by 12. Now we make another set of pairs by changing 2 to the power 120 and 3 to the power 120, and that is 19 to the power 120 minus 2 to the power 120, and this has factors 19 plus 2 and 19 minus 2. This is equal to 21 multiplied by 17, and 14 to the power 120 minus 3 to the power 120 has factors 14 plus 3 and 14 minus 3, and this is equal to 14 plus 3 is 17 multiplied by 14 minus 3 is 11. Now we have to find the common factors in these two sets. In the first set, where we had taken 19 to the power 120 minus 3 to the power 120 and 14 to the power 120 minus 2 to the power 120. We have to find one common factor in these two, and that common factor is 16. In first, the factors were 22 and 16, and in second it was 16 and 12. So the common factor between these two is 16. And in 19 to the power 120 minus 2 to the power 120 and 14 to the power 120 minus 3 to the power 120. The common factor between these two is 17. In first it was 21 multiplied by 17, and in second it was 17 multiplied by 11. So common factor in these two is 17. So the common factors are 16 and 17, or we can say it is 16 multiplied by 17, and this is equal to 272. 16 times 7 is 112. We write 2 and carry 11, and 16 times 1 is 16 plus 11 is 27, so it is 272. Therefore, the given number is completely divisible by 272, and from the given options our answer is option B, 272. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, which number exactly divides 16 to the power 110 plus 15 to the power 110 minus 4 to the power 110 minus 3 to the power 110. The given options are option A 215, option B 245, option C 228, option D 240. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. On observing the number, we have to make pairs of the given number, and we have to find the common factor out of that. So we make first pair 16 to the power 110 minus 4 to the power 110. As the power is even, so the factors will be 16 plus 4 and 16 minus 4, and this is equal to 20 multiplied by 12, and another pair will be 15 to the power 110 minus 3 to the power 110, and 110 is an even number, so the factors will be 15 plus 3 and 15 minus 3, that is 18 multiplied by 12, and common factor between these two is 12. Now we change the pairs like this: 16 to the power 110 minus 3 to the power 110, and this has factor 16 plus 3 into 16 minus 3, and this is equal to 19 multiplied by 13, and 15 to the power 110 minus 4 to the power 110, and this has factors 15 plus 4 and 15 minus 4. This is equal to 19 multiplied by 11, and common factor between these two is 19. Now we multiply these two common factors. 12 multiplied by 19, and 19 times 2 is 38. We write 8 and carry 3. 19 times 1 is 19 plus 3 is 22. So the common factor we get is 228. It means that 228 completely divides the given number, and from the given options our answer is option C, 228. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. We go to the next question. Our question is, which number exactly divides 6 to the power 71 plus 17 to the power 71 plus 23 to the power 71? The given options are option A 5, option B 11, option C 23, option D 18. Before solving this question, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. On observing the numbers, we find that 6 plus 17 is 23, and another number is 23, So 23 is common after making the pairs. One pair is 6 and 17 and other is 23. 6 plus 17 will give one factor as 23 and another is 23. So 23 will be the common factor out of it. And from the given options, our answer will be option C, 23. I just elaborated by writing the steps. 6 to the power 71 plus 17 to the power 71 plus 23 to the power 71. This will leave one factor 6 plus 17. As the power is odd, then a to the power n plus b to the power n has one factor a plus b. So here the factor will be 6 plus 17 and 23 is the factor in 23 to the power 71. So this gives 6 plus 17 is 23 and another factor will be 23 from 23 to the power 71. So common factor will be 23 and the entire number 6 to the power 71 plus 17 to the power 71 plus 23 to the power 71 is exactly divisible by 23. And from the given options, our answer is option C, 23. I hope you have understood the method of solving such type of questions. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.